What if you wanted to take a survey to know which is the most popular sport in your region? Of course, you cannot ask everyone, so you decide to ask 30 people in your region. You have classified your survey into 4 categories. 3 of the most popular: cricket, football, tennis, and all others under other sports. So the first person you meet says he likes football. So you write a 1 here. The next person says she likes tennis. So you write a 1 next to tennis. The next person says football. So you write a 2 here. We want to count how many people fall into each category. So out of 3 people surveyed, 2 like football and 1 person likes tennis. The next guy says cricket. So you write a 1 here. The next guy also says cricket. So you write a 2 here. So out of the 5 people surveyed, 2 like cricket, 2 like football, and 1 likes tennis. Then someone else says baseball, and then someone else says football. What do you notice? It gets a bit tedious and is not the best way to take a survey. Let's understand a better way to do this. Try to understand this really well. When the first guy says football, you just put a small vertical line next to football. No numbers, no order, nothing. The next guy says tennis. So we just put a vertical line next to tennis. Then the next guy says football. Again, we just draw a vertical line next to the first vertical line. Notice that in this case, we just don't have to think what the previous number was. We just draw a line when a person names his favorite sport. The next 2 guys say cricket. So we put 2 vertical lines next to cricket. And the list goes on. So until now, 2 people have said cricket, 4 people have said football, 2 people have said tennis, and 1 person likes some other sport. Now we come to the most crucial point of this exercise. When the next guy says football, as he will be the 5th person to say so, we strike out the first 4 vertical lines. So this symbolizes 5 people. But why a slanted line? Why can't we just draw vertical lines? Imagine counting the number of people if we did something like this. It will get really difficult, and that is why, as a norm, every 5th count will cross out the previous 4 counts. Let me erase this. So after asking all 30 people, this is how our final table will look like. These are called tally marks. We can write down the final numbers in the next column. The first row has 5 and 5. The number will be 5 plus 5, which equals 10. The second row has 5, 5 and 3. The total will be 5 plus 5 plus 3, which equals 13. So 10 people like cricket and 13 like football. In the same way, we can say that 2 people like tennis and 5 like other sports.